We're introducing how to fix problems with orders. It's divided into these three parts. Part 1. Frequently asked questions. This part includes solutions to most problems that occur before and after payment. Let's find out how to deal with them one by one. Before payment. Missing information. Delivery address. Currently, we only support 50 delivery addresses. If you fail to add an address when placing an order, you'll need to delete some addresses first. Go to My SaleYee, Account, Address Book to do so. Then you'll be able to place orders normally. Missing information, VAT personal information. To deliver products to UK addresses, you can't submit an order without VAT and personal information. If you are VAT registered, choose Business to add VAT information. If not, click Personal and provide all the required information. Then, your information will be pending review. After getting approval, you can place orders normally. For more details, please check the VAT section in our Help Center. Quotation for delivery to remote areas. SaleYee provides free shipping of all products by default, except for remote areas. Please refer to Shipping Information to check the remote areas. Due to the pandemic and Brexit, the delivery to remote areas is temporarily closed in the United States, Northern Ireland, and others. Generally, suppliers will quote around 11:30 a.m. and 5:30 p.m. GMT plus 8, which is 8:30 p.m. and 0:30 a.m. PST on business days. After you submit an order for delivery to a remote area, the order status will read, Being quoted. You can proceed to pay only after it's quoted. After receiving the quotation, you need to complete the payment in 24 hours. Value-added services. SaleYee provides two kinds of value-added services upon checkout, namely Return Protection Service and Logistics Protection Service. We highly recommend you to purchase them to better safeguard your interests. To learn more about the rate and compensation ratio, please check the latest agreement details. Next, we'll focus on the problems after payment occurred before and after shipping. After payment, abnormal orders. Generally, there are three main causes to abnormal orders, and the solutions are shown here. If you're in a hurry, just appeal directly. If not, you can choose to contact your account manager to know the specific cause and solve the problem. You should pay special attention to abnormal orders before shipping. Just check Order Management, Abnormal Order, view the orders, and click Appeals to fill in all the required information to cope with the abnormal orders. After payment, order cancellation. Because orders are forwarded automatically for shipping, after successful payment, you can't change any order information like the address, but may cancel the order. Please note that you can't cancel an order if the order shows in Orders to be Received, so apply for order cancellation in a timely manner. The result of the cancellation request is subject to system notification. If successful, you can get a full refund from SaleYee, and if not, you need to contact the end customer to reject the package and provide related screenshots. Here's how to cancel an order. Click In Sales Appeals, fill in all the necessary information, and submit it. After payment, About our policies. As for orders after shipping, we'll mainly talk about standard returns. Standard returns are mainly for issues caused by shipping carriers, breakage or product issues, and listing errors. The refund amount and whether the free RL will be provided by SaleYee depend on the actual situation. For more details and the latest updates, please refer to the latest returns and replacements policies. If you can't find an answer to your question, please contact your account manager to get pre-sales support or contact customer service to handle problems with orders. After payment, track returns and refunds. To track your returns and refunds, go to Order Management, Returns and Refunds, then click View for more details. You can leave a message, upload the proof, and check all negotiation records. As for where the return amount goes, it depends on the payment method. For orders paid with SaleYee Balance, Payoneer, WeChat Pay, and Alipay, you can get the refund in real time after it's approved by the customer service. Otherwise, it depends on the card issuers. Please note that refunds don't involve the transaction fee, which is charged by third-party payment processors, and VAT fees can be refunded according to the proportion of the refundable amount. Just a warm reminder, the application for returns and refunds will be rejected for products not sold on the SaleYee platform, products out of warranty, without customer service to confirm the issue type, delayed response or return, intentional and malicious deception for compensation or frauds, and delay or service interruption caused by force majeure events. Please make sure to appeal within the valid period of after-sales service. As for returns, the product should be received within 15 days after the RL is provided. Part 2. Reference. If you have any questions, check our Help Center first, where you'll find detailed explanations of nearly everything, including membership, payment, shipping, returns, and replacements. We'll make sure to keep all the information up to date. Part 3. Contact us. Understanding what your account manager and customer service can do for you is important because you don't want to waste time communicating with the wrong person. As you can see here, their responsibilities are different. In a word, after you successfully pay for an order, in case you have any problems, contact customer service first. Otherwise, ask for help from your account manager. Both will make a response within 1 business day. Here's how to contact your account manager. Go to My SaleYee, and you can find your account manager's name, email, and Skype ID. The same information is also available on the page Contact Us after you log in. Please always include your customer ID in an email or a message for quick identification. Here's how to contact customer service. Click Contact Us in the bottom navigation menu. Choose Contact After Sales Support under After Sales Service. Before you contact our customer service, please appeal first. Otherwise, you're wasting valuable time. Then, please go to Order Management, Returns and Refunds, click View, and leave a message for customer service. If you get no reply within 24 hours, fill in all information required and submit the ticket. Don't forget to leave your order number or appeal order number to ensure timely processing. We'll always try our best to solve your problems as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.